Hey everyone, how's your mindset in getting bookings on your calendar? I just wrote a blog post about that, and I'm going to link that blog post below. But this is the topic of this video today. So I'm Gail Bates, CEO of MyMentorBiz.com, where I help leaders grow million-dollar teams, and I am the creator of the Direct Sales Planner system. So one of the strategies I work with my clients is having what I call a booking mindset. So one of my clients recently told me about one of her team members who was just stuck in getting bookings. And she just said that this team member said, nobody wants to book with me. When I don't even feel confident in talking about my company. And I know that when I ask people, they're going to say no, because in my area, people just don't want to buy this product. So this woman was really stuck. She was really shut down about getting bookings, okay? She had listened to those little thoughts in her head that said, oh, I can't ask her. I don't want to bother her. Or I know if I ask her, she's going to say no, okay? So those are thoughts that go through all of our heads when we're asking for bookings. But this person was absolutely stuck because my client told me she had given her suggestions. She'd actually written out scripts for her. But still, this team member in her mind was shut down, that she couldn't get bookings. And that's what I call a booking mindset. All of these thoughts go through our heads a lot, okay? But when we decide in our mind, in our head, that no one's going to book with us, that's exactly what's going to happen. So how do we overcome those thoughts, right? Well, the number one thing I suggest is to invest in you, in building your confidence, okay? So I want you to think right now, why would people want to book with you? Well, they're going to have fun with their friends, right? They're going to learn something fantastic about your products that's going to help them in their life. Like I teach women how to have 5 pieces of clothing and make over 8 to 10 outfits. They love it. They know they can go to their closet and get some great outfits. And they'll be talking with their fellow guests at the party and telling stories with each other. And this is what makes the party memorable. So when you know that you're offering this type of party to somebody, I call it a wow party experience, people will respond to you, okay? So it's building that confidence on knowing how to offer that party experience that's really going to take those little thoughts out of your head, okay? So it's about investing in you to learn how to ask for the booking. And today, I want to share with you my On Your Mark, Get Set Book online workshop that is on sale this month of January. It comes with 3 videos on how to ask for the booking and how to keep the booking and how to have consistent bookings. And along with that, those videos come 3 extensive workbooks that you will work from to really help you get your mindset clear when asking for the booking, okay? So I want you to make sure that you get the discount code for that. It's called GETSETBOOK. I'll also mark that down below for you as well. So the whole thing is about that booking mindset, basically. So when you learn to overcome your fears of asking or that resistance, okay, that's when you're going to build your confidence, and that's when your calendar is really going to start filling up. So make sure you go to my website and you look at On Your Mark, Get Set Book, and use the discount code GETSETBOOK. It's available in January. Have a great day.